gonna be cutting up peppers, and make sure to put oil in your pan. The first one is this yellow pepper. Oh, it flipped. Yeah. And I'll show you what the inside looks like. Keep cutting it up. It's cut up. And the last bite. And we'll slice these backwards so we can slice another. The next one, this one, is a bell pepper. That's a pepper. Okay, everybody, this is a pepper. Did you see all that juice come out? And the last one. We'll just scoop these back while we chop this one. Or chop it while doing this. Now you can just rip it apart. Rip this one apart. I had to pause the video because my finger's bleeding. I cut my own self.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna add some water and then put the lid on and make sure that adult puts it on the stove. Now, make sure to ask an adult for help. Mama, come. Try.
Okay.
Like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and scroll down and click Laelyn's subscribe button picture and make sure and you'll see more of my cooking videos.